Hello guys, good morning. This is Nitin Tawar. I will be teaching programming in Java. I am from Computer Science Department, ICMM Engineering College. Let us start with what is the introductory lecture of programming in Java. What is Java? What is software? What is the programming language in available in the market? This is the one of the best language and widely used language is Java. I have been teaching Java from 2013. It will be great pleasure. It will be give me a great pleasure to teach you all Java. Let's start with course content. What are the course content? What are the PPT content in this course? Objective, course content, introduction to Java programming. What are the difference between C++ and Java? फॉर कमिंग अप टू अ जावा, जावा पे आने से पहले आपको सी प्लस प्लस का नॉलेज चाहिए. यू नीड टू हैव अ नॉलेज अबाउट सी प्लस प्लस. what are the difference between C++, what are difference between C++ and Java. After that, feature of Java and simple Java program. We will take a introductory lecture. We will have a introductory lecture about only what is difference between what is difference between C++ and Java, and what are the feature of Java, why we are using Java, what are the purpose of being develop a programming language like a Java. So these are the content of our introductory part. First of all, I will give a detailed explanation about what are the course details, what are the theory marks, what are the practical marks, what are the class test marks, branch and year, ENTC. After that, semester 5th. After that, programming in Java course code. We are having theory lecture 4 hours in a week, and class test marks we are having 20 marks. Theory examination marks will be 80 hours, and theory examination duration will be 3 hours. These are the basic things you must be known about. After that, what are the course objective, why we are learning Java. After the completing of this course, we will be able to identify the importance of Java, identifying the additional feature of Java compared to C++, identifying the difference between compiler and interpreter. These are the things that I have included in PPT, but you need to understand what are the basic things that you need to understand. What is C, what is C++, and after that I will be giving a brief explanation about Java. I will be giving explanation about Java from scratch, from installing JDK to the last topic, that is networking, or that user defined GUI, how to create GUI to interact with the user. I will be teaching you from scratch, from compiler, from interpreter. uh, I will explain everything, but you need to understand, you must have the knowledge about C and C++. You just go thoroughly read out what is C++, what is C. I will explain each and every point. I will explain each and every difference between C and C++ and C++ to Java. I will differentiate all the three things: C++, and Java. You, in this course, you are going thoroughly these points, this course content. That is, what is difference between compiler and interpreter, what is difference between applet and application, what are the object oriented features to the real time entities. We have learned object oriented feature, we will learn object oriented feature, but what are the actual use of that feature in real time entities. Handle exception and implement multi-threading program. This is the handling expression, and multi-threading programs are not present in C++. Multi-threading is not present in C++. Handling exception is present in C++, but multi-threading is not present in C++. This is the additional feature that are involved in Java. Implement of database programming. Why to use database programming, why to connect a database. These are, I will explain each and everything when database programming is in the flow. Design and implement GUI with event handling. And what is event handling? If you are going to click a mouse, that is a event. If you are pressing any button of keyboard, that is the event. If you are handling any sort of GUI means you are interacting with the user through a graphical user interface, that is the GUI. Develop input, output, and networking program. These are the content that are going advanced as the Java goes in the details. So basically today's introductory lecture is about what is actually software consists of, what is software, what is Java, what is compiler, what is interpreter, what is content of C, what is content of C++, and what are the disadvantages or feature that are not involved in C++ but involved in Java, why we are involving this new feature into Java, having any drawbacks in C++, having any problem in C++, so we are involving, or by the past or by the experience we are involving a new feature. So these are the course content that consist of six units. Section A consists of 3 units and section B consists of 3 units, that is the well known to you. These are the introduction. First unit consists of 8 hours, that consist of all Java feature. Like C++, you are going to check all the features like class, constructor, overloading, arrays, inheritance. The major role of this Java that has been introduced in first unit, that is introduction. After that the detail goes on with each unit, or details go on with each topic that I'll be explore as the syllabus goes on. But after that, package and interface, these topics needs a separate unit, package and interface. After before in in CSE, CSE and ENTC syllabus is much similar, but in CSE it goes deeper inside, but in ENTC it is just the introductory part of Java. Same unit and same structure is given in CSE also and ENTC also. So introduction, package and interface, after that exception handling and multi-threading, this part is contained in section A. First is introductory part, as inheritance, constructor overloading, and all these parts are came in first introduction. After that, package and interface. After that, exception handling and multi-threading. The exception handling is present in C++, but multi-threading was not present in C++. This is the new part are introduced in Java. These are the section B. I will continue section B in details when we will start section B. What are the course type and content? In introductory lecture, if you are going to explain what is Java-based database connectivity, applet, this will use heavy load. I will not explain this. I just explain what is pure Java programming language. Why is called as Java is object-oriented language. What are the topics present in Java? Firstly, I will explain a simple what is a software. Software means if you are using some digital part in it, which is called as software. Calculator, a simple calculator, it consists of hardware part and some part of programming. If you will add 7 plus 5, it will give output 12. So this part 7 and 5, this part will press by hardware, and this will be compute all behind your competition will be the output that will be done by your software or any programming language. The Java is one of the programming language. This programming language has a hands-on and powerful because of, and this is developed for internet purpose only. If you are opening any web pages, uh, what is web pages? Web pages means इंटरनेट पे जो पेजेस होते हैं, मीन्स इंटरनेट एंड पेजेस, इंटरनेट पे जो पेजेस खुलते हैं इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? वेब पेजेस. वेब मीन्स इंटरनेट, पेजेस मीन्स जो पेज उस पे ओपन होता है, दैट विल बी द वेब पेजेस. Java is a general purpose, means it consists of as multi-threading, exception, input output, GUI. It is a general purpose programming language. But what is special in Java? Java is simple, and Java is secure one. One of the strongest point of Java programming language is Java is a secure language. Why it is secure, I will explain when we will going for a difference between C++ and Java. A general purpose language, object oriented programming language. C is a basic language, basic software language. It consists of functional part, it consists of major functional part. After that, what are the topics and what are the advanced feature that will be incorporated in C++ that is object oriented. And some of the major features that are introduced in Java, these are the difference and these are the steps that Java gets much better in corporate with feature. Object oriented programming language. What is object oriented? It is concerned with only object oriented. If I will say I have to score I have to score or I have to learn Java in detail, then it's my object. And oriented means I have to stick with my object, that I have to learn Java in detail in anyhow condition. That is basic focused purpose language, we can call this. Means object oriented concept, there are many object oriented concept: class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, message passing, dynamic binding. There are lots of uh, object oriented concept. Means object oriented means a simple one thing that will be consist of all the details, that is our object. And oriented means it's related things around the our object. Developed by Sun Microsoft of USA in 1991 by James Gosling. After that, originally it is called as Oak, renamed as Java in 1995. Java means it is a type of a copy, so its symbol is like a coffee. Modeled on C, C++, but skip many concepts like pointer to make it simple and reliable. In C, C++, there is a concept is pointer. What is pointer? If I will declare any data type x is equal to 5, that 5 is stored in our memory. The memory consists of some sort of address. That address will be accessible through pointer. So Java eliminate the concept of pointer because it will give a illegal access to your data. So Java is more secure than C and C++ because pointer not over there. These are the course content, introductory part. From I will suggest all the students who are watching this video, first of all go through all the C and C++ concept. What are object oriented concept? uh, I'm giving you the advice or suggestion that you should go through C and C++. Everything I will explain. What are the concept of C, what is concept of C++, what is concept of Java, what are the difference between these three things, how the things get much better in and develop Java, and things are going in well manner. There are some sort of things that are not included in C, some sort of things that are included, and some sort of things that are advancedly included in Java, and some of those things that are the harmful that are going to be eliminated. Like a pointer, like a pointer we have eliminated the pointer concept that give a illegal access to our data, that is that are present in C and C++ but not present in Java. I will again request student to please go through C and C++. What is concept of C? What are the concept of C++? What is difference between C and C++? I will explain after that what is difference between C, C++, and Java. Uh, for developing this language, for developing this type of environment, you need a toolkit. You need a JDK toolkit. You can download it and you can install it. I will share next video how to install JDK, how to download JDK from uh, sc- from scratch, from typing in Google download JDK. I will explain everything: how to download JDK, how to install it, what are the problems came in the time of installation. I will explain that. After that, going through this sort of video, introductory lecture of Java, difference between C, C++, what are the concept are newly introduced in Java, then we will go a simple program, how to develop a program in Java. After that, uh, I will tell you what sort of error come when you are going to find out where you are developing a program first time. So you need to watch video completely. I will explain each and every part. I will explain from scrap that how to install JDK, how to set class path, and how to run first program. If you are having any sort of query, I will share my number. I'm also in a group, so you can message me anytime. My WhatsApp number is 9422229712. You can WhatsApp me anytime. I will be available there. So we'll go through this next PPT, that what is need of Java. The main reason behind the intent of Java, it was developed mainly for internet programming. जो भी हम इंटरनेट देखते हैं, जो भी हम गूगल टाइप करते हैं, दूसरा वेब पेजेस आता है, तो क्लिक करने के बाद तीसरा वेब पेजेस आता है. दिस mechanism for this mechanism Java is mainly developed. Other language like C and C++ are not portable and platform independent. These are the major feature. I will explain again this feature in features of Java point, but I will explain here what are the portable and platform independent. C and C++ is not portable and platform independent. Java is portable and platform independent. Portable means I will convert the each and every program of Java into a bytecode. Bytecode means that is code of 0 and 1. If I will develop a program 7 plus 5, I will take two variable, I will take three variable, 7 in one variable, 5 in one variable, and third variable storing the output of both 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, C will give output 12. So this program is converted into a bytecode. That bytecode will run in every system, in Linux, Solaris, Windows, in every system. Which system you want to take, which operating system you want to take, you can take, and this bytecode will run there. This is called as machine or bytecode that will be run on any system. That is called as portable. Portable means we are type syntax in Java, we are performing a task in Java, but when this Java program and this program will convert into any sort of bytecode, that bytecode will run on any type of operating system. That are the major role of Java, that is portable. And platform independent, it is need a toolkit, to compile and run the program. Just for compilation and running in compilation and running purpose, we need a toolkit. But like .NET, but like other software, you need a IDE, or you need that complete toolkit to run a program. That is a platform dependent, and this is platform totally independent. And www needs a portable and secure program. Java ensures security. I have explained in previous slide how Java secures uh, ensures security by eliminating a pointer. These are the things that we have came in need of Java. After that, how Java different from C++, an additional feature, and simple Java program. I will explain these things. I will first give difference between C++, and Java, and after how to install JDK, how to set class path, and we will be having fun to learn a Java. Okay, guys. So if you have any sort of queries, you can. I have shared my number with you. I am in group of ENTC as well as CSC. You can communicate with me anytime. You can send me a screenshot if you are having any sort of error. Feel free to share. I will explain each and everything. I have been teaching Java from 2013. If your response and way of communication is stronger, two-way communication will be stronger, then I will be delivering all the knowledge that I have been carrying. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll have next lecture how Java is different from C++, object oriented feature, and Java first program. Thank you very much.